Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike. And in this video I'm going to show you how to install a frame lock or ring lock. It's an old one, as you can see here, and before I can install it I needed to rotate the dress guard a bit. The frame lock cannot be installed, cannot be put on the frame top down, so you have to go in sideways. And then you have to use these mounts, which you can still buy new now for maybe $2 or something, to get the lock on the frame. It's kind of a hassle because there isn't that much space, especially not if you have large hands. And what you do is the mount is placed on the frame, and then with a bolt that has a loop which goes around the tube, you can put it through a hole in the ring lock and attach a bolt on both sides. First you have to do it in such a way that there's still play, and then you can tighten it with a tool such as this one, which enables you to get in between the dress guard and the lock. Do it on both sides, then stand over the lock and align it straight over the rear wheel. And then you can continue tightening it. Really a beautiful lock. I found it while on vacation at a local guy who did his own bike restorations. I bought two, and this is one for the bicycle for my wife. Really turned out fantastic. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I'll be making more of these videos. So I hope to see you really soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.